Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel AI Gyaan. I am Pratiksha and today we will talk about list in Python. List is one of the data types in Python and we have studied about these data types in our previous video, and I told you that we will explain each of the data type in detail. So today we will talk about list, which is one of the data type in Python. So now let's get started. So what exactly is list? So first we'll study about the characteristics of list. So our first characteristic of list is that it is mutable, which means that the elements in the list can be modified. We can change, add, insert any of the element in the list. So this was one of the characteristic of list. The other characteristic of list is that list is in ordered form. That the items in the list are ordered. Each elements in the list have a unique index value. The other characteristic of list is that it is heterogeneous, which means that list can contain different types of data types. That is, in list the elements in the list can contain different types of data types. And the last characteristic of list is that it can contain duplicates item. That is, we can write the same elements more than once, which means that list can contain duplicate items. So now we will study each of these characteristics in detail through examples. And do remember that list is always written in square brackets. Let us see each one of the characteristics in detail through these examples. Here I have created a list named as list 1, and the elements in the list are 1, 2 and 3. As I told you that list is always written in square brackets, and I have written print list 1. So now let us run this code and see what will be our output. So my output is same as the elements in the list, and even the order is same as the list. So this defines that list is in ordered form. Now this is my second example. I have created a list named as my_list, and the elements in the list are 2, 3, strings, 10 plus 1j, Python and 4.5. Then I have written print my list. Through this example we can say that list has the characteristics of being heterogeneous, which means that list can contain different types of data types. Here as we can see, 2 and 3 are integers, 10 plus 1j is our complex number, and here Python I have written it in single quotes, which means it is string, and 4.5 denotes our float numbers. So this means that list can contain different types of data types. So here also I will run my program and we can see the output is same as my list. Now let us see another example. I have created my list as list 2, and here these are the elements in my list, and I have written print list 2. So here as you can see that 2 and 6 are repeated twice. Now let us run this code, and this is my output. So it also denotes that list can contain duplicate items. It denotes that we can also write the same elements in the list. So this was all about the characteristics of list. Today we've studied about what is list, its characteristics through examples. So let us summarize about the characteristics of list. First one was that list is mutable. Second one was that list is always in ordered form. The other characteristic was that list is heterogeneous, and lastly that list can contain duplicate items. So I hope you must have understood this brief introduction about list. and we'll discuss more about list in our further videos. So thank you so much, and please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel AI Gyaan.